Have you ever noticed that the moment you try to calmly resolve a conflict, the conversation somehow escalates instead of improving? You explain your feelings, you try to stay rational, you try to repair the relationship, but somehow the situation becomes even more chaotic and confusing. And you walk away wondering, why does my trying harder seem to make things worse? Well, if you've experienced that dynamic, I want to start with something very important. You're not imagining it. In certain relationship dynamics, engagement itself becomes the fuel that keeps the conflict alive, which means the strategy that most thoughtful people instinctively use can unintentionally make the situation worse. And once you see and understand this pattern, something surprising happens. You begin to realize that the first step in reclaiming your emotional power in the relationship is not getting better at arguing. It's engaging differently. See, many thoughtful women respond to conflict with the instinct to repair. And that's a good thing. Usually, they explain their perspective more clearly and they try to stay calm. They try to understand the other person's feelings. And in healthy relationships, those instincts are beautiful. They create safety, they invite growth, and they help relationships mature. But in certain relationship dynamics, those same instincts can be actually weaponized against you, because the other person may not actually be trying to resolve the conflict. They may be trying to win the interaction in order to protect their ego, to maintain control of the conversation, things like that. Let me ask you something. Have you ever tried to calmly explain something that hurts you, only to watch the conversation slowly spiral into something completely different? Suddenly you're defending your intentions. Past issues get brought up. Your character is questioned. And the original concern quietly fades away. If that pattern feels familiar, you're not alone. You see, when someone is highly defensive or emotionally manipulative, the conflict often becomes, for them, a power interaction. Instead of resolving the issue, the conversation becomes about maintaining psychological advantage or psychological high ground. This can happen through deflection, blame shifting, emotional escalation, or dragging you into circular arguments. But here's the key insight. All of those tactics that he tends to use require one thing in order to work, and that's your engagement. They require you to stay in the conversation, to keep explaining, to keep defending, to keep reacting. Because the emotional energy of the interaction is the fuel that keeps the dynamic alive. And this is where many women suddenly experience a breakthrough realization. The moment that you stop engaging in the emotional tug of war, the entire dynamic changes. Because you've quietly removed the fuel that keeps the conflict alive. And without that fuel, the power interaction begins to collapse. This is why the first step in reclaiming your emotional power in this difficult relationship, it's actually surprisingly simple. You stop engaging in arguments that are designed to pull you into chaos. You don't bother to defend every accusation. You don't chase every deflection. And you don't explain yourself endlessly. Instead, you stay calm and you disengage from the circular conversations, and you protect your emotional energy. When we coach women in our Detox Your Marriage private work, women first start doing this and they discover something interesting happens. The other person sometimes actually escalates temporarily because they haven't adjusted to the new dynamic. But over time, and in most cases, it actually is very, very quick, something becomes clear to him. Without your engagement, his ability to control the emotional environment begins to fade. And in psychological terms, it extinguishes his behavior. Many people describe this moment as incredibly freeing because they realize something important that they didn't see before. They were never powerless in the dynamic. They were simply participating in a conversation structure that was keeping them trapped. And once that structure changes, the emotional balance begins to shift. Now, I'm curious about something. Have you ever noticed that when you stop engaging in certain arguments, the dynamic suddenly changes? If you've experienced that shift, you can simply write, "I've seen this," in the comments section. You may also want to read some of the other comments. Many people discover they're not alone when they read comments under a video. They're not alone in what they've been experiencing. Now, if you'd like to learn more about recognizing and navigating these patterns while protecting your emotional well-being, we've got options for you. We've got a Detox Your Marriage community. The link is down below. You can check it out and explore it, totally free. If you'd like a one-on-one, no strings attached conversation to map out a future in your marriage, if you want to find a way to stay in your marriage and flourish, you can click the link down below to schedule a 15-minute call with us to find out how to map out your future.